Place a bay leaf inside a lemon. Before I explain why this works, let me show you another trick. If your shoes have an unpleasant odor due to sweat or extended use, bay leaves can be a simple and quick fix. Just place 3 bay leaves in each shoe overnight. Their strong aroma neutralizes bad smells. Now, let's get back to the trick I mentioned at the beginning. Take a fairly large lemon and cut it in half. Depending on the size of the lemon, place 4 or 5 bay leaves inside. This combination not only refreshes your home, but also effectively repels mosquitoes and other insects. The scent of bay leaves and lemon is unpleasant to them. Leave the lemon with the bay leaves in areas where you spend the most time. It's also useful to place this by windows to help prevent insects from coming inside. This simple trick could keep mosquitoes away all summer long. All you need are a few ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Take 1 fresh orange and carefully cut off the top. Then gently score the center of the fruit to create space inside. Using a spoon, carefully scoop out part of the inside while keeping the orange's shape intact. Fill the inside with fragrant coffee, which will slowly release a rich and pleasant aroma. Next, add a few cloves to give it a warm, spicy scent. Lightly sprinkle everything with cinnamon, which blends all the aromas together perfectly and creates an incredibly cozy atmosphere. Take a cinnamon stick and carefully light it so it starts releasing its intense, smoky fragrance. Place the lit cinnamon stick inside the orange to make the aroma even stronger. Then place the top of the orange back on, recreating the whole fruit with its unusual filling. After a short while, the scent will spread throughout the room. The combination of orange, coffee, cloves, and cinnamon creates a powerful aroma that mosquitoes and many small insects simply can't stand. Because of this, the trick may help reduce bugs in your home, especially in the evenings or when the windows are open. Many people use this method during summer as a natural alternative to chemical insect repellents. My grandmother taught me this trick. Take a regular roll of toilet paper and soak it thoroughly under water. Toilet paper is highly absorbent due to its structure, and once soaked, it holds a large amount of water, making it perfect for the next steps. Make sure it's fully saturated. Now, remove the cardboard tube from the center. When the paper is wet, the cardboard easily comes out. Gently squeeze out the excess water. The paper should be damp but not dripping. Grab an aluminum tray. It's lightweight, easy to find, and allows you to shape it as needed. Tear the toilet paper into pieces and spread them evenly on the bottom of the tray, making sure they fully cover the surface. Pour dish soap over the paper, adding enough to saturate it well. Cover the top with another aluminum tray, pressing the edges together to create a sealed container. Then, use a knife to cut a few small openings in the top tray. These holes will allow the fragrance to release gradually. Now, place your homemade air freshener in the bathroom, preferably near the toilet. It will slowly emit a light, fresh scent, neutralizing any unpleasant odors. A lady at the drugstore shared this secret with me. Drop some petroleum jelly into boiling water. I'll show you how to make your own aromatic balms. Start by taking a small pot and filling it halfway with water. Once the water boils, add 2 containers of petroleum jelly. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. During this time, the petroleum jelly will melt and become liquid. After that, carefully remove the containers from the pot. Open one container and add your favorite perfume. For the second one, use your favorite men's fragrance. Mix everything well. Then, mark the containers with different nail polish colors to avoid confusion. Place them in the fridge for about 3 hours to harden. After that, they are ready to use. Apply them to your wrists and the area behind your ears. The wrists and the area behind your ears are spots where the skin is thinner and closer to blood vessels. This makes these areas warmer, which helps release the fragrance. The heat allows the perfume to develop better and become more intense. My home smells wonderful. Everyone asks about my secret. This beautiful scent wafts throughout the house. Most people usually buy scented sachets at drugstores, but they only last for a few days. It's definitely better to try this trick with a box. First, take a small plastic container or cup. Pour salt into it. Regular, inexpensive table salt is perfect, but sea salt works too as it has cleansing and moisture-absorbing properties. Next, add 1 capful of antibacterial liquid. Then pour in a capful of fabric softener with a pleasant floral scent. Insert 3 long toothpicks into the cup. They will be perfect scent carriers. Place the box in the bathroom or closet, and a lovely fragrance will emerge. Everyone will ask what smells so good, and it also absorbs excess moisture. This spray makes my home smell like a luxury hotel. Guests always think I'm using expensive fragrances, but you can make it in just a few minutes using 4 ingredients you already have at home. Start by grabbing a clean spray bottle. It helps distribute the scent evenly. The first ingredient is cloves. Not only do they have a warm, spicy aroma, but they're also natural odor neutralizers and have a calming effect. Drop a few into the bottle. Next, take a scented dryer sheet. This little detail gives the mixture depth and lasting power. Roll it up and place it in the bottle. Heat some water in the microwave and pour it in. The warmth helps release the fragrance more quickly and intensely. Then add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. You can mix scents however you like. Screw the cap on and shake well to blend everything. Spray the mixture on curtains, pillows, or your sofa. You can even use it on your doormat or inside the bathroom. The scent lasts longer than a typical air freshener. Your home will smell amazing, and everyone will ask you what you're using. Stop spending money on expensive home scents. Make them yourself, naturally, and for just a few cents. Get a large bowl and prepare a cup of baking soda. Baking soda has cleansing and odor-neutralizing properties, making it the perfect ingredient. The next ingredient is cornstarch, which helps maintain the right consistency. Mix everything thoroughly so the ingredients combine. Then take some food coloring, apply a small amount to the tip of a teaspoon, and add it to the mixture. The next step is to gradually add water until you get a firm consistency. Finally, add your favorite essential oil, such as lavender, which has relaxing properties. Mix everything well. Now, prepare a silicone mold and fill it with the prepared mixture. Let the tray sit for a while so the mixture can dry and harden. After that, remove the finished scent cubes. You can place them on a shelf in the room where they will gently fill the space with a pleasant scent, creating a nice atmosphere. In the bathroom, the scented cubes will effectively neutralize moisture and unpleasant odors, providing freshness for a long time. You can also place them in places where you store clothes to give them a subtle, pleasant scent that will last on the fabrics for longer. 1 cube, so many possibilities.